Good afternoon, everyone. I, on behalf of Assam Rifle, congratulate Esther for her great performance and shining the name of Lunglei at the national level. She has been awarded and she is being recognized everywhere. So, though she was recognized earlier also, but the Puruskar which has been given to her has shined the name of all the community over here, Mizoram, in whole India. And in coming days, I am sure that such performance by her will be continued. Our best wishes to her on behalf of Assam Rifle is that. And thanks for calling us over here. A small cake on behalf of us to her. Thank you.
Chana da khatkal zele ra tu sei do te ma bai ki kalo ke ga kan ti zung zung do da
Esther lalbawi namte India ram soi moda na pang soi moda sak der itu na bangin eden thar baptis ko harian kan ko pie em sia ikal le zel na pura po sabla kan lan sia he citation le poisa chen sang athi eden thar baptis ko han chuan lom takin kan lan sia
MZE Zazai Mizum Kong atang local kania ichone Esther hi MZE headquarters of the hian kan life member ania ichon anyang ang choi moina ero puitak mai adong hi kan lompui me mani ti nan MZE headquarters of the ichon he thilpe ki kan landona kan president pi lan mangai zwala le kan secretary arlan mangai ten ming an sign ani
chuan sum huma han pe do te po kha ronkal zero la hi roi che anai to a chi bai do te kan lo mem ondeki na po khanin hun zao zo kha kan honga ami mal te po khan kan impene zel be don ya ole